Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best food processor. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Elemental Small Food Processor 13 Cup. The Cuisinart Elemental 13 Cup food processor is powered by a 550 watts motor with a wide feed tube that includes small, medium, and large pushers for your produce. It comes with 3 different work bowls for you to choose from. With 13 cup and 5 cup bowls, the stainless steel blades include an adjustable slicing disc of up to 7 mm, plus a dicing disc that includes a 10 mm grid and a reversible shredding disc to offer medium to fine chopping. For even greater versatility, the Elemental includes a dough blade with both small and large S blades. It uses its signature seal-tight advantage system, which has the dual responsibility of sealing the bowl and locking the blades using the patented blade lock system. The food processor has electronic touchpad controls with blue LED lights and high, low, and pulse options. The entire set comes with cleaning tools to keep your food processor running smoothly. You can easily remove parts for individual cleaning with the added benefit of Dishwasher Safe materials. After they are cleaned, you can store everything in the convenient storage case that's included. Pros: simple operation, convenient wide-mouth feed tube, one of the longer warranties, dicing attachments. Cons: users complain about noise levels. Number 2. Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY 14 Cup Food Processor Custom. Cuisinart's 14 Cup food processor is a kitchen dream. The Cuisinart food processor features stainless steel standard slicing disc, 4 mm, medium shredding disc, and stainless steel chopping/mixing blade. This convenient food processor comes with a power of 720 watts that make mixing, grinding, and stuffing easy work. In addition, for all your blending needs, the DFP 14 BCNY includes an extra-large feed tube that effortlessly handles large chunks of foods while even sending ingredients directly down to the blades for neatly chopped textures. This food processor also comes with a 14-cup Lexan work bowl, extra-large feed tube, small pusher, and large pusher that accommodates all hand sizes perfectly for no-mess preparation. Cuisinart's food processor is a bestseller in the market. It has an intuitive on/off button as well as a pulse to achieve different textures and cuts of ingredients. For the seasoned chef, this machine will prove its effectiveness time and time again. The Cuisinart 14 Cup food processing system comes with all of the features you need to handle any recipe, from salsa freshen just before party guests arrive at deli spreads put together for holiday get-togethers. In addition, its dishwasher safe, ergonomic design allows for optimal space saving in your kitchen drawer while not sacrificing functionality or quality, which means it's there when you want it and stowed away out of sight when you don't. Pros: powerful 720 watt motor. The processor is good and easy to use. Versatile in use. Extra large feed tube. Cons: heavy. Number 3. Ninja BL 770 Mega Kitchen System Food Processor. Create drinks to keep us cool this summer, and make perfect dough for any time of day with the Ninja BL 770 Mega Kitchen System and Food Processor Bowl. This 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds without getting diluted, so you can enjoy your frozen coffee/milkshake or another icy treat in that same glass. Or if baking is more your thing, you'll love our 8-cup food processor bowl, which makes up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. Let it do all the hard work. Ground beef turned into ground chuck within seconds with its powerful 2-horsepower form grinding system. A few twists assure a grind that's easy on teeth while preserving essential oils from fresh meats. The Ninja BL 770 Mega Kitchen System and Food Processor Bowl is the ultimate kitchen appliance for anyone who wants to stay healthy on the go. The system comes with 2 16-ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, so whether you're taking an office break, exercising, or running errands around town, anything you place in a Nutri Ninja cup will be easy to mix up and drink from anywhere, while giving your body what it needs all day. Dishwasher safe, top, and BPA-free parts, bottom, make cleanup easy too. Pros: 3 appliances in one, can use it for smoothies on the go. The product has a strong motor for blending ice, great if you don't want a separate food processor and blender. Cons: noisy on high speeds. Number 4. Breville BFP 800 BSXL Sous Chef 16 Pro Food Processor. The Breville BFP 800 BSXL Sous Chef 16 Pro Food Processor is the perfect kitchen machine for anyone who loves cooking and eating. With a whopping 5.5-inch wide feed chute that reduces prep time by cutting down on size-specific tasks, this food processor will be your go-to answer for all of your slicing and dicing needs. Plus, it comes with 3 blades including a super sharp stainless steel blade, 5 multifunction discs that help with anything from crushing nuts to kneading dough, with a low-profile design so you can still see what's happening, giving this food processing unit a whole lot of versatility as well as usefulness in any kitchen situation. The Breville BFP800 BSXL Sous Chef 16 Pro food processor is the perfect food processor for any home chef. Composed of a direct drive, high-torque 1200W motor with an extra-large 3.6 liters capacity bowl, it's versatile in smaller or larger capacities. It also includes a mini processor bowl for finer chopping tasks, dishwasher safe attachments, and a storage box to make cleanup easy. Who can turn down a sleek, professional-looking food processor? The Breville BFP800 BSXL Sous Chef 16 Pro food processor allows staple foods such as potatoes, onions, and carrots to be processed evenly in a fraction of the time it would take with a handheld device. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach 12-cup snack and snap food processor is a great fit for households of all sizes and boasts a simple assembly and effortless operation with a 450 watts motor. There is no need to pre-cut or prep foods with the signature big mouth feed tube that can accommodate larger items. The bowl simply snaps into place without any twisting, using the built-in locking clips. The included bowl is also perfect for liquids with a 12-cup capacity and easy pour spout when sealed. With a reversible S-blade system, the attached chopping blade locks while you are working. It also makes for easy storage, locking right into the bowl, so it requires less space. This processor includes convenient cord storage and parts that are dishwasher safe. Hamilton Beach includes a helpful guide to help you navigate the different settings. Its disc attachments are also labeled, so you can find the right fit quickly. Pros: affordably priced, 12-cup capacity, decent motor for most jobs. Cons: it requires a lot more space.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.